Hey everyone, welcome to today's walkthrough, where I'll be showing you exactly how to get started with the Smartsheet Formula Handbook Template Set. If you've ever felt stuck on where to find the right formula, or just want an insider's guide to mastering formulas in Smartsheet, stick with me. By the end, you'll know how to set up your own formula handbook and make smarter, more efficient use of formulas in your sheets. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is open up the Formula Handbook in Smartsheet. This resource is a goldmine. Think of it like a built-in reference book that lives right inside Smartsheet. When you open it, you'll see a full list of formulas, all the relevant commands, and every function you're likely to need. It really is a must-have, especially if you're just starting out, but honestly, even experienced users come back to it time and time again. So don't worry if some of the terms feel overwhelming initially. That's exactly what this handbook is designed to help with. Now, let's set up your own formula handbook from a template. Start by finding the Create button, usually up near the top left of the Smartsheet interface. Give that a click. Next, you'll want to choose Templates from the menu that pops up. Sometimes this option gets overlooked, but templates are super useful. They're like having a head start on any project or task inside Smartsheet. After you've clicked Templates, go ahead and hit View All Templates. You'll be presented with a library of pre-built structures for just about anything. In the search bar, type in Formula Handbook. This will help you zoom right into the template you're after, skipping all the scrolling. Once you see the Formula Handbook template appear, select Create from Template. Smartsheet will spin up a new sheet preloaded and ready to go. Alright, now that you've got your own Formula Handbook open, let's explore what's inside. At the top, you'll see the Formula Handbook Overview. Take a moment here. This overview lays out the instructions on how to use the handbook most effectively. It's like the table of contents in a recipe book, giving you a quick peek at everything you have at your disposal. As you scroll through, you'll notice sections for cell references, operators, functions, and even a whole section dedicated to fixing formula errors. This isn't just a list, each section is there for a reason. For example, cell references teach you how to point a formula to the right spot, which is essential if you're building anything more complex than basic sums. Think of operators as the glue, like plus, minus, or equals, that tie your formulas together and help you do calculations. Functions are the true power tools here, things like sum, count, if, and if you've ever wondered how to get totals or filter for just the data you need, these are your go-tos. An important bit for everyone. The How to Fix Errors section is a lifesaver. We all run into formula errors now and then, and this part walks you through common issues and their fixes so you're not left scratching your head. Maybe a formula didn't calculate as you expected, or there's an unexpected result. Don't worry, this handbook will help you troubleshoot, saving time and frustration. Remember, as with any new tool, it might take a few moments to get comfortable with the Formula Handbook, but that's perfectly normal. Give yourself some space to explore each section, and don't hesitate to try out a few sample formulas right away. The best way to learn is by doing. That's it, you now have everything you need to find, use, and fix any formula in Smartsheet, all in one handy reference. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have questions, leave them down in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy Smartsheeting!